Hey friends, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I will show you the RFID based attendance system with RFID tags. So this is a student number 1. So his name is Rahul. So he scanned this one, that means he entered to the library, and this is a book which have RFID tag at the back side of it. So he can now issue the book. You can see the book is like we can see the message of the book is issued for Rahul. Okay, now he tries to submit, means like if he scan the RFID tag again, means he is returning the book. See, first it's telling scan the book, scan the student ID first. So he need to scan this his ID first, and if he scan this now, the book is written by Rahul. Similarly, again this is for money. He scanned and he taken this book to issued for money. After coming to library, scan this one and he can return this book. So one student can take 2 books also. So this is money. He scanned. See, book 2 issued for money. Again money scans for again, and he scanned for this one. So book 1 issued for money. So he can now need to submit. So once he scan this his ID, he can submit. So book 1 returned by money, and again book 2 is returned by money. So in this project I will be giving you RFID, RC522, LCD display with I2C, buzzer, breadboard, and here you can get node MCU, not this one, and four types of 4 number of RFID tags. So contact to the number if you want to purchase this project.